Are you ready for this song in our Christmas extravaganza? Because we are bringing the heat. Pear got me on this one. Pear got me. So get ready. Get those hands ready because you're going to need on this one, which is Here Comes Santa Claus. Hi, I'm Terry Carter. Welcome, ukelikethepros, and I was feeling good today. I had to get the blue shirt out for this one. I'll tell you about how Pear got me on this backing track, which is absolutely killer. But before we get to that, we got a couple things here. First, do you know that we give away a ukulele every single month right here on the channel? You only got to do two things. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, and then sign up with that link below, and then you're automatically entered to win that giveaway. But more importantly, instead of get one, you have a chance to win one of 8 ukuleles that we got going on for the Christmas extravaganza. That's right, I got ukuleles donated to us from Koaloha, Kanalea, Romero's Creations, Enya, Kala, Ohana, Cordoba, and Flight have all donated a ukulele for this. First thing you gotta do is go sign up at ukelikethepros.com/Christmas. Go sign up for that. Become a VIP, my recommendation. That way you get all the backing tracks, you get all the sheet music, you get all the chords, everything you need, lyrics. You get access to the private Zoom calls as well with all this stuff. So come become a VIP or just become a platinum member. ukelikethepros.com platinum membership gives you all the courses, the live stuff, and all these VIP access to these things. All right, so that's going on. Very, very exciting. We got songs here like this. There's going to be a tutorial/song play along. We got live stuff. We got a bunch of stuff going on for this Christmas extravaganza. Do not wait on this. Just click the link below. Go sign up. ukelikethepros.com/Christmas. All right, this one. Woo! All right. Let me tell you a little bit about this one. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's actually not that many parts. There's actually a lot of lyrics that we're singing. But let me tell you what Pear did. Which is actually my fault, which is kind of funny. But anyway, he said, what's the next song? I want to get started making the backing track. And I was like, oh yeah, next song is Here Comes Santa Claus. So he's like, okay, cool. Next day, I call him like, oh my gosh, it's not Here Comes Santa Claus. It's actually Santa Claus is coming to town. And he is like, I'm already like almost done with this track. So I was like, all right, I guess this now is one of the songs, which is Here Comes Santa Claus. I was like, no problem. Easy song. I got this under control. And then he sent me the backing track. Whew! Then he got me on this one. But that's all right. It's not that bad. It's a lot of fun. Fun chords, fun key, fun song. All right, so let me play a little bit for you. I'll show you everything you need to know, and then we'll play it at the end with the backing track. All right, that's our intro, and that's actually like the second part of the song. So this song, Here Comes Santa Claus, by the way, besides the blue shirt I had to bring out my new Koaloha Black Label ukulele for me. This is one of 2. I got a ukulele and a guitarlele, but this one is named after my son, which is Lightning. All right, absolutely stunning. If you like this, you like anything, need anything, check out the #1 store for all your ukulele needs, which is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so this song it's not like a traditional AABA song form that we're so used to doing, like that 32 bars, 8 bars, 8 bars, the bridge, and then another, right? So it's just the same pattern that's repeated over and over again. So it's almost kind of more in the form of a blues, even though it's not 12 bars and it's not 3 chords, but there's that repeating section that happens over and over again with different lyrics. And of course, every verse starts off with, Here Comes Santa Claus, Here Comes Santa Claus. But there's also a very cool solo section. Matter of fact, there's 2 solo sections, but there's one solo section that changes keys, which is absolutely fantastic. And when you hear it on the backing track with the whole accordion and everything, it's absolutely killer. Let me show you the strum pattern first, and then we'll show you this. So it's in the key of C. So just to start with the C chord. And the strum pattern just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Now that's a little fast, I know, but the tempo is fast on this one. But it's just simply down, 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 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's it. But because it's brisk, it sounds really cool. Now, here is the intro part, okay? So it's going to be F for 2 beats, down, down, up, G7, down, down, up, C, A minor, D minor, G7, C, now C7, and then it repeats. Okay, so that's not only the intro, but that happens in every one of these sections here of the song. All right, so if we did it a little faster in time with no pauses, 1, 2, 3, 4, F. 2, 3, 4. Now repeats here. And then we're right into the song, which is, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. All right, now this first part here is a little bit easier because it's only 2 chords. It's going to be on the C chord for 2 bars, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the G7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, now again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, and then, all right, so that's that first part, and then it's going to go to a C7, and that's going to transition you back to that part we just played, which is the intro. Same as the intro here. All right, and then, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down the Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Vixen and all the reindeer pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang your stocking and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. All right, and that's it. That does that over and over again. Now, there's actually 5 times it does that, but 4 different verses of lyrics, and then the last lyrics we send are the ones that we just sang with the Vixen and Vixen. Now, really cool little solo section here, which changes keys. Okay, so it's the same chord, but in a different key. So instead of the key of C, we go to the key of G for the solo. So there's no singing. It's just going to be G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to the D. Now G7. Here we go now. And that G7 is your transition back to, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Back to that again. All right. So that key change in the key of G, really, all the chords are here on the chart. There's nothing really hard. This thing what it has adds the E minor to it, maybe the D chord. If the D chord's too hard, you can just do D7 if you want. That's fine as well. But try to do the D chord if you can. All right. The only other thing before, we're about to play with the backing track now. The only other thing. All right, the only other thing is sometimes when I'm playing it, I kind of change the rhythm. So I might do something like, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down the Santa Claus Lane. All right, so all I'm doing is I'm adding some down-up strum patterns, adding a little bit more energy to the strum pattern, especially on transition. So that's just something you'll see me do, especially with when I do it with the track. You can add it if you want. If not, just keep that real simple. The whole time totally works well. Now, the only other thing is a starting note. Here comes Santa Claus. And I'm down here in this low register. Here comes Santa Claus. If you want to start up higher, that's a little higher. But I like it right here. Here comes Santa Claus. Here comes Santa Claus. Right down the Santa Claus Lane. All right. Are you ready? Leave a comment below. Are you excited? All right. I'm telling you, it's a little fast, but you're going to love it. All right. So let's go ahead now and bring in the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Santa Claus. Pair. Why you always got to challenge me? All right. That was funny. That was fun. Woo! That tempo is actually not as fast as you think once you kind of lock it in. Okay? It seems fast at first. I remember the first time I heard it, I was like scared. Oh my God, so fast. But then you can kind of lock it in. How did you do? Leave that comment below, 1 to 5. 5 meaning you crushed it. A lot of lyrics fast. So have some fun with this one. It's really, really, really great. I want to see your video over at the ukelikethepros forum, and I want you to have a chance to win one of those 8 ukuleles that we were giving away for this Christmas extravaganza. If you haven't done so, make sure to sign up, ukelikethepros.com/Christmas. Become a VIP or become a platinum member. You get access to the backing track, the sheet music, all these lyrics, everything you need to be conquer, if you can even do that, this particular song. So, all right, great job. This was a fun one to do, and you sometimes just got to jump in and go all out for it, which I did on this one. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.